Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to create a QR code for Microsoft Teams meeting in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we need of course to log in our account or sign in our account. So in order for us to create a QR code, I have here my calendar and I already set a schedule for a meeting for tomorrow. So I just have to click this one, and here you can see a link, so you just have to copy that one. And of course we need a software or a site that can generate a QR code. So let's go to the tiny URL. Why this one? Because we wanted to make our link shorter. Okay, so as you can see here on my screen, so you just have to paste the link that you copied earlier. So here, just paste that one, and of course click the shorten link. Okay, to shorten our link. Okay, so after that you just have to wait for a sec to so let us let the tiny URL to create the link. Okay, as you can see here, you can visit the URL and of course the QR code. So you just have to click this one, the QR, and we can download actually our QR code. So after downloading the QR code, and you can use that one for posting. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you learn and enjoy for these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Okay, thank you.